state.
Menteri Ketenat Public Health Engineering PHE Marcus and Marak hakisingi baar ulang ba ketenat kadang penkrek ya kejing terwa ke bapalat hajar kelur tengkan ke bantah ke skim Sam Ombam syakani Shillong Township. Menteri ulang ba ketenat kadang penkrek ya kejing terwa ke bansa IT syaka sorkar pedeng nak ke bantah kejing kersahan pisah. Hakawai kaliang Marak ulai thok ba kikam habayade bat ke phase 3 jangka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme GSWSS kalaya chat. Marak ulang ba kimat bayade ba kejing pan jingbet nak ketenat iada nak bentaban siang yu min feeder bat ki pipe sam kelapan slam ya ke projek GSWSS loang ru baketenat kamshem labu por ha ke ban pendep ya ke projek Henry ke persyang ban pentikna basyan kan sa urlang.
But with regard to Greater Water Supply Scheme, Shillong also is doing well. We are starting. We are trying our level best. Our chief engineer is extremely, doing well in terms of implementation of this one. I should say she is guiding the engineers in all the levels that is required. For the new Shillong Township, we are preparing the DPRs and all. It will be totally separate scheme. Already started connecting with the Government of India for the funding and all. Not yet completed. It will cross 2,000 crores.
Mentapan